Hello, welcome back again. Now this is part 2 of how to use classify to set theory question. Now we have set the question already. Let's see how the question will appear when the student want to attempt it. When you go to your Chrome, you type app.classify.com.ng app.classify.com.ng. You are going to see this. So once you're able to see this, you click on conduct CBT exam. You click on conduct CBT exam. Immediately you have done that, it's going to ask you for the CBT exam code. Yes, it's going to ask you for the exam code. So let me put one of this exam code or the question that I just set. Let me look for that of mathematics. I put a 6604 slash 190 406. Immediately I've done that, I'll click on finish. Then it's going to tell me start the CBT exam mathematics SS3. I'll say start. Then it's going to ask me for the admission number of the student that want to do exam. So I can type 6604 slash 110 9681. So this is the student. It will bring the name of the student. I'll say okay, start the CBT exam for this. I'll say start. So immediately this is done, it's going to start showing me the question. You see that I have 11 questions there. So but these are the initial one which are objective. So I go to the I go to next. I go to next, which is question 2. I go to next. I want us to see the last question to see how the theory will look like. I go to next. I go to next. I go to next. Now this is question 10. Now this is the theory now, question 11. Now can you see the theory, the one I showed you the other time? Can you see it? It's because I'm using phone. So if you are using your laptop, it will, you see it very clearly. But even with phone, you can see the questions. This is the question, and these are the questions. Section B, use this diagram to answer question A to D. Write your answer in the booklet provided. Now this is how you are going to see the sub theory question. This is how you are going to see it. So students can now answer this question in their booklet, and when they are done, they can now click option D. This will make them to submit their question or to go to the next question. So this is how to see the theory. We can also check the other question. Let me go back. Let me go back. Let me also go back to the beginning, enter CBT code. Let me enter for the other question that I set. So I know you know this, if you are able to set your once you have set the question, this is where to enter the CBT code. I hope you know where to get CBT code. Once you set your question, you will see the CBT code. So let me quickly check this other one, which is 6604 slash 190 418. Sorry, 418. Okay, finish. Now can you see now start exam? I put the admission number of the students that want to write the exam, which is 6604 slash 110 9681. Go to finish. Yeah, start exam. So it's going to show you the exam. So we are interested in the theory part. So I'll just jump to theory part. You see how the theory part will be given. This is question 7, question 8, question 9, question 10, then question 11. Now look at the theory part now. Theory session. Answer the question below in the booklet provided for you. So if you want them to answer 3 out of this, you can do that. But what most important is that tell them an option to pick when they are done answering the theory question. And that's why you see when you are done answering the above question, pick option D. Remember, it's going to give them 1 point, 1 mark for that question. If a student did not pick option D, went to go and pick another option, that may be getting a minus for that. So that's ability to listen to instruction. So that's how you see your question, the theory question. Students, we attempt it, and it's just a way for us so that you as a school, you don't use paper. In Classify, we want school to run on a paperless school. Yes, you do everything digitally. Thank you for having me today. Have a wonderful day ahead.